to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to sign out of Amazon Prime TV on FireStick. So guys, if you want to sign out from your Amazon Prime, so guys, it is very simple. Okay, so guys, first of all you can open your Amazon Prime. Okay, so you can go to your app library. Here you can use your Alexa also. Open Amazon Prime. Open Amazon Prime. Then guys, now your Amazon Prime is now open. So here you can go here, and here you can move to the setting option. Okay, so guys, here you can see there is a lot of options like Prime, parental control, preview, cancel subscription. Okay, and rental, purchase, and but there is no options for sign out. Okay, so guys, for sign out you can back to the home screen. Okay, then you can go to this section. Here it's going to the setting. Okay, then you can click. After setting you can see there is a one option is account and profile settings. Then you can click on the account and profile setting. Okay, here you can see sync Amazon content, parental control, profile sharing, and you can click on the Amazon account. Okay, here you can deregister. So your Amazon Fire Stick will be deregistered from your Amazon account, and this will be remove your content from your device, and many feature will not work. To remove the personal data, you use the reset to the factory default in the setting. Okay, so guys, these are the things and what's its mean. Okay, you can directly sign out and deregister from your Amazon account. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.